Hi everyone, I am Musayyab. Have you ever met someone who just lights up the room the moment they step in? The kind of person who speaks, suddenly everyone listens. But what if I told you you can become that person? Charisma is not something you are born with, it's a skill you can learn, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to develop it. But first, let me ask you, have you ever ignored in a conversation? Do you struggle to make lasting impressions, or maybe you just wish people were naturally drawn to you? If you said yes, any of these, stick around because by the end of this video, you will have the tools to become effortlessly more charismatic. Charisma is not about being the loudest in the room. It's about making people feel something. Here are three things can make a person charismatic: confidence, presence, and authenticity. Confidence. People are drawn to those who believe in themselves. Presence. Being fully engaged in the moment, in the conversation, makes people feel valued. Authenticity. Pretending to be someone you are not is the fastest way to repel people. Now let's talk about how you can develop these traits to become charismatic. Did you know over 70% of communication is non-verbal? That means before you say even a word, people are already forming an impression of you. Here's what charismatic people do differently. Make eye contact. The right amount of eye contact show confidence, connection, and authenticity. Open body language. Avoid crossing your arms, slouching. Use your hand gestures and relax your body posture when you are in a conversation. Smile with purpose. A genuine smile can really make you instantly likable. So try this next time when you are in a conversation. Note occasionally, use your hand gestures, relax your body posture, and make eye contact. This can really help you to become charismatic. Have you ever noticed how charismatic people don't just talk, they command attention? Here's how you can do the same thing. Vocal variety. Avoid monotone voice. Use changes in your voice, your tone, your speed, volume to emphasize your points. Pause for effect. Silence can be powerful, so powerful. Pausing before delivering a key point makes people hang on to your words. Tell stories. Humans are wired for storytelling. Avoid listing facts, use relatable stories, and ask engaging questions. Instead of how are you? Try this. What's the most exciting thing happening in your life right now? Try this out. And this can really help you to become charismatic. Now let's talk about some social quick hacks you can use today to boost your charisma. The first hack is 5-second rule. When entering a room, take a deep breath, smile, and scan the room for just 5 seconds. That's it. This helps exclude your presence. The platinum rule. Instead of treating people how you want to be treated, treat them how they want to be treated. And third hack is the 70-30 rule. Listen 70% of the time when you are in a conversation and talk just 30% of the time. People love talking about themselves, and this makes you instantly likable. And fourth hack is name drop naturally. Using someone's name in a conversation makes people feel special and helps build a connection. And finally, be playful and witty. Don't take yourself too seriously. A little humor goes a long way in making you more magnet. Even if you try all of these right techniques, but there are some things that will kill your charisma and avoid at all cost. Trying too hard, desperation for approval is a major turnoff. Over talking, don't dominate conversations, give others space. Negativity and complaining. Charismatic people don't drain, they uplift. And inauthenticity. People can feel when you are being fake. So if you really wanna become charismatic, avoid these all of mistake. That's it. Now here's the real challenge for you. Pick one of these tips today and apply it. Drop a comment below on which one you will try first. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos like this.